Hello students, in the previous class we have learnt about units part 1 where we have learnt about meter and centimeter, rupees and paisa, kilogram and gram, liter and milliliter. We have learned what are the uses of these units. We use meter and centimeter. Where should we use meter and centimeter? To measure the length. Rupees and paisa is our currency. Kilogram and gram to measure the weight, and liter and milliliter. Where should we use liter and milliliter? To measure the capacity. We have also learned about the conversion of meter to centimeter and centimeter to meter, and rupees to paisa and paisa to rupees. Okay, today we will learn how to convert kilogram to gram and gram into kilogram. How should we change liter to milliliter and milliliter to liter? Okay, so let me take the next slide. Okay, first of all we will revise what we have learned in the previous class. We have learned wait for a minute. Meter and centimeter, here rupees and paisa. Okay, these two units are 100 standard based. How? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, that we have learned in the previous video. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa. So if you want to change meter to centimeter, we need to add only 2 zeros. If you want to change rupees to paisa, what we need to do? We need to add only 2 zeros. If I want 2 meter equal to 200 centimeter. If I want 2 rupees into how much paisa? 2 rupees equals to 200 paisa. If I want 52 meter equals to, so I will write 52 as it is. And what I need to do? How many zeros I will add? 2 zeros. Centimeter. If we talk about 52 rupees, I want to change it into paisa. So what I need to do? What should I do? 52 and 2 zeros, that will be changed into paisa. Okay, if the question will be like this: 12 meter and 13 centimeter. So both the 2 zeros will be replaced by these 2 centimeter digits. So 12 will come as it is, and if I want to change, if 13 is not there and I want to change only 12 meter into centimeter, so what will I do? 0 0. But here is the centimeter part also, so these 2 zeros will be replaced by this centimeter. So I will cut this and I need to write 13. So what will be there? 1 2 1 3 centimeter. Same here as it is. If someone say 2 rupees and 13 paisa, if I want to change 12 rupees to paisa, means 12 and how many zeros will come if I want to change rupees to paisa? 2 zeros. But here is also paisa, so these 2 zeros will be replaced by these 2 digits. So here will be 13, and what should be the answer? 1213 paisa. Okay, you can also write this in the form of, if you want to write it in the form of meter, you can use the points. Okay, so 12 will come as it is, and centimeter and paisa will come after the point. So how many digits should come after the point? 2 digits, because how many zeros? 2 zeros. So how many digits are there? 13. So 12 by 13 meter. Okay, if I want to write here 12.13 13 paisa. Okay, we have learned this, we have learned all of this in the previous class. Okay, what we need to start now? Okay, we need to start the kilogram and gram. Kilogram and gram, and here will be liter and milliliter. As meter and centimeter, rupees and paisa have the same standard of 100, same as it is kilogram and gram, liter and milliliter have the same standard of 1000. How? 1 kilogram equals to 1000 gram. 1 liter equals to 1000 milliliter. Same will be followed in both the units, kilogram and gram. Okay, same thing will be followed in kilogram and gram and liter and milliliter. What you need to do? As you are adding 2 zeros in the case of meter and centimeter, here you need to add 3 zeros. Same in the case of liter and milliliter, 3 zeros. If you want to change 2 kilogram into gram means 2000 gram. How many zeros? 3 zeros. Simple. If you want to change 2 liter into milliliter, 2000 milliliter. Same if you want to change 13 kilogram into gram, 13 will be come as it is. And how many zeros? 3 zeros. Now read this digit: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 13,000 gram. Same here. 13 liter equals to 13,000 milliliter. How many zeros? 13 will come as it is, and you need to add only 3 zeros. If I take another example of 156 kilogram, so 156 will come as it is, and how many zeros will be there if you want to change it into gram? 3 zeros will be there. Now read this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1,56,000 grams. Same here. If 156 liter, you will write 156 as it is, and how many zeros do you need to add? Only 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now read: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1,56,000 milliliter. If he says you need to change 245, or let's take another example, 2450 kilogram. Okay, so you need to write this digit as it is: 2450. How many zeros you need to add? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 gram. Now read this: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, 24 lakh, 50,000 grams. Same here. If he says we have 2450 liter, you need to change it into milliliter. So what will you write? You will write this digit as it is: 2450, and how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 milliliter. You don't need to do anything. Only if you want to change kilogram to gram, liter to milliliter, you only need to add 3 zeros. Very simple. Let's take another example. Kilogram and gram, and the other side liter and milliliter. Okay, if he says you have 12 kilogram 530, 12 kilogram 532 gram, you need to change it into gram. Okay, If he says you 12, change 12 kilogram into gram, you know, okay, 12 and 3 zeros, simple. But here is also one thing, 532 gram. So what you need to do, you need to change all three digits with zeros. So 532, 2 will be replaced by this, 3 will be replaced by this 0, and 5 will be replaced by this 0. As you have done in the case of meter and centimeter, same. 12532 gram. Same thing. Okay, if we take one more example, 15 kilogram 32 gram. Okay, what do you need to do? First change 15 kilogram into gram. How many zeros will come? 3 zeros will come. Okay, now how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. So these 2 digits will be replaced by two zeros. And you need to remember, first you start from the right hand side. Okay, this 0 will be replaced by 2. Okay, and this 0 will be replaced by 3. So 15032 gram. Simple. Okay, let's take one more example. 3246 kilogram and 5 gram. Okay, first of all you need to change the kilogram one. Okay, 3246, how many zeros will come? You know, 3 zeros will come. Okay, 1 2 3. And here is also gram part. How many digits in gram part? 5, only one digit. So you need to change 1 0 with 5, and you will start from the left hand side. Okay, 3246 0 0 5 gram. Simple. Let's take one more example. If 3 kilogram 51 gram. Okay, so 3, how many zeros should come? 3, but here are only 2 digits, so 0 0 0, and 2 digits will be replaced by these two. So this 0 will be replaced by 5, this 0 will be replaced by 1. 3051 gram. Okay, now what you need to do, you will take all these examples in the case of liter and milliliter, and you will solve all these questions. How? Let's take one. 12 liter 532 milliliter. Okay, you will write all these examples yourself and solve this like this. 12 liter, you want to change into milliliter, so how many zeros you will add? 3 zeros, you know that. Okay, 3 zeros, but here is also milliliter part. So what you need to do, you need to change all these three digits will be replaced by these three numbers. Okay, so this 0 will be replaced by 2, this 0 will be replaced by 3, and this 0 will be replaced by 5. What will be answer? 12532, 12,532 milliliter. You will solve all these questions yourself. Okay. Okay, now you have learned how to change kilogram to gram. Now you need to understand how will we change gram to kilogram and milliliter to liter. Okay, if he says 5000 gram change into kilogram, so what you need to do, you need to remove 3 zeros and it will be changed into kilogram. So remove these 3 zeros, and what left here? 5 kilogram. Simple. If he says 59,000 gram, change into kilogram. What you need to do? Only you need to remove the 3 zeros. What will come? So if you remove these 3 zeros, what will left here? 59 kilogram. Simple question. Let's take one more example. Okay, you want to change gram to kilogram. What you need to do? Remove 3 zeros. Okay, remove these 3 zeros. What will left here? 4320 kilogram. Okay. Now this digit is given to you. What you need to do? You need to only remove the 3 zeros. You will remove the 3 zeros and it will be changed from gram to kilogram. Okay, right? 56320 and one more zero. You have removed these two zeros. So what left here? 563200 kilogram. Okay, let's take one more example. 563000 gram. Okay, you need to remove the last 3 zeros and it will be converted into kilogram. 563 kilogram. Same you will do in the case of meter and liter yourself. I will explain one example to you. Okay, which one I should explain to you? Okay, let's take this one. 4320000 liter, milliliter into liter. So if you want to change milliliter to liter, what you need to do? Remove 3 zeros. If you want to change liter to milliliter, you will add 0. If you want to change meter to liter, so you need to remove the 0. 4320 liter. You will do all these examples yourself. Okay, let's take one more slide. Okay, here what you need to do, same thing, one side will be gram to kilogram and here milliliter to liter. Okay, 43600. You need, this is gram, you need to change it into kilogram. Okay, what I told you in the, what have I told you? That you need to remove the 3 zeros, but you see there are no 3 zeros. Okay, so what we need to do? We will first assume these 3 digits separately. Okay, so okay, if there are 3 zeros, we simply remove these 3 zeros and write 43 kilogram. But here are no zeros. This should be 0 to write like this, but here is 600. So we will write this 600 separately into gram portion. Okay, because it is extra 600. If we want to write this, how will we write? 43000 plus 600. Okay, sorry, 600 gram. So you can remove these 3 zeros and it will be changed into kilogram, and this can't be changed into kilogram. Why? Because there are only 600. It should be greater than 1000 to change into kilogram. There is also one method to write this. So before the 3 digits you can put the point and write 43.600 kilogram. And let's take one more example, 5326. So these 3 digits will go in the gram portion and this one will go, all the left digit will go in the kilogram portion. So 5 kilogram 326 gram, or you can simply write the point 5.326. Before 3 digits point will come and it will be changed into kilogram. Here these 3 digits will go in the gram portion, and these left all the digits will go in the kilogram portion. 104 kilogram, 304 gram, or you can write this digit 104304. Before 3 digits point will come 1 2 3, and it will be changed into kilogram. Simple. So what you need to do? You need to do yourself meter into liter. Let's take one example. I will explain you one example and you will do all the examples yourself. Let's take 43600 milliliter. What you need to do? You need to remove these 3 digits, and this will, all the rest digit will go in the liter portion, and these 3 digits will go in the milliliter portion. So 43 liter, 600 milliliter, or you can write 43600. Before 3 digits one point will come and it will be changed into liter. So you will do all these examples yourself. Okay. Now one more. Kilogram and gram, meter and liter and milliliter. Okay, if someone says you need to change it into kilogram. Okay, here someone is saying to you, you need to write it into the point form. Okay, someone says you 13 kilogram 43 gram. Okay, what do you need to do? 13. Okay, after kilogram point will come. Okay, after point how many digits should come? 3 digits should come. So 43, you will write 43. Okay, and you will write 0. This is wrong. No. Why? Because if you change it, it will be 13 kilogram 430 grams, but we have 43 grams. So what will you do? 13 point. First of all, you need to write zeros 1 2 3, and from right hand side you should start the replacing the digits. This 0 will be replaced by 3, this 0 will be replaced by 4. Okay, so what is the digit? 13.043 kilogram. Okay, if someone says 243 kilogram and 5 gram. Okay, so you will write like this 243. Okay, 243.30, 1 2 3. But here is also gram, so this 5 will be replaced by 10, and which one? From the right hand side. So what will be? 243.005 kilogram. Okay, let's take one more example. 4 kilogram 54 gram. Okay, after 4 you will place the point, and how many zeros? 1 2 3, and 54 will be replaced by 2 zeros. But which one? These, not this. 4.054 kilogram. Okay, you need to change liter to milliliter with the same examples yourself. Okay, let me take another slide. Okay, now someone says you, I have 4 kilogram and 40 gram. Change it into the gram. What you need to do? First you will change the kilogram portion into gram. Okay, I will change 4. What will come here? 3 zeros. Okay, it will change into gram, but here the gram portion is also there, so these two digits will be replaced by 2 zeros. Okay, this 0 will be replaced by 0, this 0 will be replaced by 40. So what is the answer? 4040 gram. Okay, let's take one more example. 5 kilogram, 3 gram. Okay, you need to change 5 kilogram to gram. Okay, 5 3 zeros, it will change into gram, but here is 1 gram portion is also there, so 1 0 will be replaced by 3. 5003 gram. Okay, same you will do with the liter and milliliter. Okay, same examples you will repeat with the help of liter and milliliter unit. Same digits you will take and do in a similar way. Okay, so now we should complete this class, and I will share one worksheet with you. You should complete that. Okay, thank you class.